Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details of an application from the user, presenting only the essential functionalities. It involves focusing on what object does rather than how it works. There are different types of abstraction: data abstraction and control abstraction. So coming to data abstraction, identifying only necessary characteristics of an object while ignoring irrelevant ones. It simplifies complex data types, hiding implementation details. Control abstraction. It involves identifying and exposing similar and repetitive statements as a single unit, useful when a function needs to perform specific tasks. So for example, if you are going to consider the currency, so currency can be in different types based upon different nations. So dollar, example, euro and pounds. So based upon this particular thing, so you are going to hide the essential details, and also you are going to keep the implementation details of an application from the user. So it means you are hiding that particular conversion. For example, day to day stock market, a dollar, rupee and as well as euro and pounds will be varying. So only the one change will be reflected to the other changes in entire program. For example, if you are going to consider a particular supermarket, one changes of a price will be applicable to all the sub branches of that particular supermarket. So next, Java abstract class. Abstract classes in Java are declared by using the abstract keyword, and it cannot be instantiated. They maintain both abstract methods. So it may contain both abstract methods and non-abstract methods. Abstract classes are incomplete and they provide a way to achieve the abstraction in Java. So now, for example, you are going to consider class is declared a name as engine. So it is having a only start method. So now here that particular start method has to be executed in the child class. So it can be achieved by using inheritance. So now here if you are going to consider extends keyword, so you are using this extends keyword if you are using inheritance. So now here you are using a method called start. So here you are going to print car is starting. So next you are going to declare a method called drive, car is driving. So now here you are going to create a main class within the car. So now car is extending the engine, engine is a parent class. So now here you have created an object for car. So this particular class my car equal to new car. So why we have given this one car my car? So because so you have used this declaration part outside the main, not inside the main. So you need to create an object. In case of static, no need to create an object. So my car dot start. So now it is going to invoke the start method. So car is starting. My car dot drive. It is invoke the drive method. Car is driving. So now if you see Java C main engine dot Java. So now it has compiled. So now next you are going to execute the program. So car is starting and car is driving. Here we have seen this example. Abstraction is a concept in object-oriented programming that refers to the ability to focus on essential features of an object and ignoring the non-essential details. Abstraction in Java is achieved through the use of abstract classes and interfaces. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated and serves as a blueprint for other classes. Abstract class can have both abstract methods and concrete methods. An abstract method is a method declared without an implementation in an abstract class and must be overridden by subclass to provide a body for the method. We use interfaces to enforce behavior for multiple classes, while abstract classes allow only inheritance within the single hierarchy. An interface is a blueprint for classes that defines a set of methods that a class must implement. Interfaces cannot be instantiated on their own and must be implemented by a class. Also, classes can implement multiple interfaces. Advantages of abstraction in Java. It simplifies the processing of viewing things, maximizes code duplication and software reuse by using loosely coupled classes. This feature enhances the security and confidentiality of an application by exposing only necessary details to the user. As class become easy to understand, maintenance is simplified and debugging is easier without causing harm to other modules. Data encapsulation versus abstraction in Java. In sense, encapsulation is an extension of abstraction. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details, while data encapsulation is the process of hiding data. Data abstraction involves showing eternal details of an entity and hiding its implementation details, whereas encapsulation binds data members and methods together. Encapsulation hides parts of data while abstraction provides access to them. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.